Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Rossi. Today we're going to make some primary and secondary colored ice pops. Let's get started. What you will be needing today is a piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, something to trace your drawing with. I'm going to use a Sharpie today, but you can use a dark colored crayon or marker, or even a colored pencil or pen. And you're going to need something to color your picture in with. I have some markers here today that I'm going to use, but you can use crayons, colored pencils, paint, whatever you would like to color your picture in. Today we're going to draw some ice pops, and we're going to color them in using our primary and our secondary colors. You can make a third ice pop that you color in with your favorite colors too. Today we're going to turn our paper sideways so it is longest going left to right, so we can fit 3 ice pops on our paper. Ice pops are pretty easy to draw. We're just going to do a straight horizontal line going from left to right. And then we're going to do a big round curve going up and coming back down, kind of like a big hill. I'm going to draw that 3 times for my 3 ice pops. And now our ice pops just need a stick. To make our stick, I'm just going to make that same shape but skinnier coming down from the bottom. So it's still that same long curvy shape, almost like a U shape, but nice and long and skinny. Now that I drew my ice pops, I'm going to separate my first 2 with 2 more horizontal lines going from left to right to create different sections for me to add different colors. So in this ice pop, I'm going to add my primary colors. In this ice pop, I'm going to add my secondary colors. And now this one, I can do whatever colors I want. I think I want this ice pop to be rainbow, and I'm going to do some rainbow stripes going up and down across my ice pop. So I drew 5 lines, so I would have 6 sections for my ice pop for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now I'm going to take my Sharpie and I'm going to trace over all of my pencil lines so they'll be easier to see. Now that I finished tracing my ice pops, I can grab my markers and I'm going to color in my ice pops. So I'm going to grab my primary colors to start. My primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. I'm going to color in my first ice pop to make a primary colored ice pop with my red, blue, and my yellow. So I'm going to do some red at the top, I'm going to do some yellow in the middle, and some blue all the way at the bottom. And my primary colored ice pop is almost finished. It's just missing one more thing. Do you see what it's missing? That's right, I need to color in the stick for my ice pop. So I'm going to grab my brown marker and color in my stick. If you have popsicle sticks at home, instead of drawing on the stick, you can cut out our ice pop shape and glue it or tape it onto a popsicle stick so it looks like a real ice pop. Now that I finished my primary colored ice pop, I can move on to my secondary colored ice pop. My secondary colored ice pop is going to be orange, green, and purple. So I'm going to color in this section orange, this section green, and my last section purple. And once again, I'm going to color in that stick brown at the bottom. For your last ice pop, you can use whatever colors you would like. I'm going to use all the colors of the rainbow in my ice pop in rainbow order. So I'm going to start with red, and then comes orange. Next we have yellow, and then green, and blue. I'm going to use light blue this time. And finally purple. And I'm going to color that stick in brown one last time. And my color-coded ice pops are all finished. So I have a primary colored ice pop with red, yellow, and blue, a secondary colored ice pop with orange, green, and purple, and a rainbow ice pop that shows rainbow order. When you're finished, you can decorate the background if you want with different shapes or designs. If you want to show where your ice pops are, maybe you're eating ice pops out in the yard and there's some grass and the sky behind them, you can do that also. If you'd like to share your picture with me, you can send it to me in an email or through Google Doc. I would love to see what you're creating at home. Try your best, have fun, and get creative. Bye!